The Stone Age stands as a colossal epoch in the narrative of humankind, a period stretching over millions of years from the first use of stone tools by our ancestors to the advent of metalworking. It is a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability, chronicling our journey from nomadic hunter-gatherers to settled farmers. This era is broadly categorized into three distinct periods: the Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic, each marked by significant advancements in human behavior, technology, and social organization. The Paleolithic, or Old Stone Age, represents the longest stretch of human history, spanning from around 2.6 million years ago to approximately 10,000 BCE. This era is characterized by the development and use of rudimentary stone tools, which were essential for the survival of early humans. During this period, early humans, including Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and eventually Homo sapiens, grappled with harsh climatic conditions and predatory threats. These early humans had to adapt to a constantly changing environment, learning to navigate through ice ages and interglacial periods. They were primarily nomadic, their lives dictated by the ceaseless search for food and water. This nomadic lifestyle required them to be highly adaptable, moving with the seasons and following the migration patterns of the animals they hunted. Their survival hinged on their capacity to hunt wild animals and gather edible plants, a lifestyle demanding profound knowledge of their environment and the ability to fashion tools for hunting and foraging. They developed a deep understanding of the flora and fauna around them, knowing which plants were safe to eat and which animals were the most valuable sources of food. The development of stone tools marks a pivotal turning point in human evolution. These tools were not just for hunting, they were used for a variety of purposes, including processing food, making clothing, and even creating art. Early humans ingeniously crafted hand axes, choppers, and scrapers, primarily from flint and obsidian, to butcher game, process hides, and create other essential items. These tools were meticulously crafted, often requiring significant skill and knowledge to produce. The control of fire, another monumental achievement during this era, provided warmth, protection from predators, and a means to cook food. Fire also allowed early humans to extend their activities into the night, providing light and a sense of security. The discovery of fire fundamentally altered the social dynamics of early humans, fostering a sense of community around the flickering flames. It became a central part of their social life, where stories were shared and bonds were strengthened. The Paleolithic period also witnessed the emergence of rudimentary forms of art. These early artistic expressions were not just decorative, they likely held significant cultural and spiritual meaning for the people who created them. Cave paintings, found in various corners of the world, vividly depict the animals they hunted, offering a glimpse into their beliefs and rituals. These paintings provide valuable insights into the lives and minds of our ancient ancestors. These paintings, created with pigments derived from earth and charcoal, reflect a burgeoning artistic sensibility and perhaps even early forms of spiritual expression. They stand as a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of early humans, who, despite their harsh living conditions, found ways to express themselves and connect with the world around them. As the last ice age ended around 10,000 BCE, ushering in a warmer and more stable climate, the world began to transform in remarkable ways. The vast ice sheets that once covered much of the Earth started to melt, giving rise to new landscapes and ecosystems. Humans entered the Mesolithic period, a transitional phase bridging the Paleolithic and Neolithic. This era was characterized by significant changes in human lifestyle and technological advancements. This epoch witnessed a surge in technological innovation, leading to more specialized and efficient tools. People began to develop new techniques for crafting tools, which allowed them to exploit their environment more effectively. Microliths, small, finely crafted stone blades, were attached to handles made of bone or wood, creating composite tools like harpoons and arrows. These tools were not only more efficient but also more versatile, enabling humans to adapt to a variety of hunting and gathering scenarios. These advancements revolutionized hunting practices, enabling humans to target a wider range of prey, including fish and birds. The ability to hunt more effectively meant that communities could sustain themselves more reliably, leading to population growth and the establishment of more permanent settlements. The Mesolithic also witnessed the beginnings of agriculture, albeit in its nascent form. People started to experiment with planting seeds and cultivating wild grains, laying the groundwork for the agricultural revolution that would come in the Neolithic period. Humans began to understand the life cycles of plants and experimented with cultivating wild grains. This experimentation was crucial as it marked the first steps towards the domestication of plants, which would eventually lead to settled farming communities. This marked the first tentative steps towards a more settled lifestyle. As people began to rely more on cultivated plants and domesticated animals, they started to form more permanent settlements, leading to the development of early villages and communities. The domestication of dogs, likely for hunting and guarding, also began during this era, marking the start of a symbiotic relationship between humans and animals. This relationship would prove to be incredibly beneficial, as dogs provided companionship, protection, and assistance in hunting, further enhancing human survival and success. Around 8000 BCE, a profound shift occurred in human history. The Neolithic Revolution. This period marked the transition from a nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyle to a settled agrarian one. Humans began to cultivate crops like wheat, barley, and rice, and domesticate animals like sheep, goats, and cattle. This shift to agriculture was a defining moment in human history, leading to profound changes in social organization, technology, and even our relationship with the natural world. Life in the New Stone Age was marked by significant changes. This era, also known as the Neolithic period, saw humans transition from nomadic hunter-gatherers to settled agriculturalists. The adoption of agriculture necessitated a more settled lifestyle. People began to cultivate crops and domesticate animals, which provided a more reliable food source compared to hunting and gathering. Permanent villages emerged, often near fertile river valleys, providing a reliable source of water for crops and livestock. These locations were ideal for sustaining larger communities. As food production became more efficient, populations grew, leading to larger and more complex social structures. Villages expanded and social hierarchies began to form, laying the groundwork for future civilizations. The surplus of food and resources also led to the specialization of labor. Not everyone needed to farm anymore, allowing some individuals to focus on other tasks and crafts. While some continued to farm, others dedicated themselves to crafts like pottery, which was essential for storing food and water. Weaving became another important craft, providing materials for clothing and other uses. Tool-making also advanced significantly during this period. This period also witnessed innovations in technology. The development of new tools and techniques greatly improved daily life and productivity. Polished stone tools, more durable and efficient than their predecessors, became commonplace. These tools were used for farming, building, and crafting. The invention of the wheel, arguably one of the most significant technological advancements in human history, revolutionized transportation and agriculture. It allowed for easier movement of goods and people. Pottery, used for storing surplus food and water, also emerged during this period, further demonstrating the ingenuity of early farmers. These advancements laid the foundation for future technological and societal developments. The Stone Age, despite its technological simplicity, laid the foundation for modern civilization. The development of language, art, and spirituality during this period speaks volumes about the burgeoning complexity of human thought and expression. The transition from hunting and gathering to agriculture, the hallmark of the Neolithic Revolution, stands as a testament to human ingenuity. It led to the development of settled communities, complex social structures, and the specialization of labor, laying the groundwork for the rise of cities and empires in the millennia to come. From stone to bronze, a new chapter unfolds. Around 3000 BCE, the use of metal, particularly bronze, began to spread across different parts of the world, marking the end of the Stone Age and the dawn of the Bronze Age. This transition was gradual, with stone tools remaining in use alongside bronze tools for centuries. The discovery and mastery of metalworking marked a significant technological leap, ushering in an era of new possibilities in toolmaking, warfare, and art. Despite the technological advancements that followed, the legacy of the Stone Age continues to resonate. The skills, knowledge, and adaptations developed by our ancestors during this period laid the foundation for the development of agriculture, animal husbandry, and social structures, shaping the trajectory of human history and leaving an indelible mark on the world we inhabit today. Conclusion. Echoes of the Stone Age. The Stone Age, though a distant echo in the annals of time, continues to captivate our imagination. It serves as a reminder of our species' remarkable journey, our capacity for innovation, and our enduring connection to the natural world. The echoes of the Stone Age resonate in the very fabric of our existence, shaping our understanding of who we are and where we come from.